Hello students. In this lecture I will tell you that how you can create a while loop in Matlab. I will open a script. I will save it as uh, create while loop, and I will start. Now I will tell you that how a while loop works. Within the while loop, at the start there is a condition that until and unless this condition meet, the loop shall continue to work. For example, if I have x and x is equal to 9, and I write as display uh, while loop, display while loop until and unless this condition meet it, x become greater than 10, or x is equal to 10. Until and unless this condition does not meet the end limit value, this loop will continue to execute. Since there is no any way to increase the value of x within the code, so this loop will continue to execute for infinite amount of time. I'm going to create a pause of about 0.2 seconds. You can see that this loop is going to continue for an infinite amount of time. It will never stop because there is no any method to increase the value of x within this code. So I am going to stop it by force. I have stopped this code by force. Now I am going to write that x is equal to 0, and then within the code I am going to write that x is equal to x plus 1. Now this code will execute for 10 times when the x value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. Let me display the value of x over here also. Display now you can see, okay, now you can see that from 0 to 9, when the value of x was 0, it has displayed while loop. Then the value of x is 1, 2, 3 up to 9. If I change the value of this thing as x is less than or equal to 10, now it will execute for 11 times from 0 to 10. If I When x is greater than 10, this loop will execute, otherwise this loop will not execute. Since it is start a value of x is equal to 0, so this loop will never ever start. You can see that value of x was 0, so it has displayed the value of x as 0, and it has not displayed the internal set of instruction within the while loop. We execute this again, nothing has happened. Now if I write as x is equal to 20 and I execute this code, you can see that up to 11, while the value of x is greater than 10, this loop has executed and then it has stopped. So this the while loop depend upon this instruction. Whenever this instruction meet the desired criteria, the loop will stop, otherwise the loop will continue for an infinite amount of time. At the start, if the value of x or any other variable it is outside this range, then at that instant this loop will never ever get start. So this is the conditional portion uh, which uh, which is going to execute the code of the set of instruction inside the loop. It is this was all about the while loop. After this, I will tell you some further set of things which are very basics and which are necessary for student to learn, so that they may be able to solve the complex problems within their code. Thank you so much.